Good morning friends. Today it's 16th of April 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. Nifty made the lows of 22,405 on Wednesday 9th and in last couple of sessions we have seen a strong bounce back. Yesterday Nifty made a high of close to around 23,400 mark. So it was a up move of almost 1,000 points in just a span of 2-3 trading sessions. And the index has entered its immediate target cum resistance zone of 23,250, 23,500 levels. So we can expect some kind of pause within this band, and the index may attempt retesting of support levels of 23,000 odd levels. But as a structure, we can see that a value buying has been witnessed in broader market, and the outlook on a short-term time frame remains buy on dip. So dips towards 23,000 and lower can provide a better risk reward ratio, maintaining a stop below 22,800, 22,700 mark. One can expect fresh long bets in the index, and once it sustains above 23,250 to 500 zone, it can attempt towards the highs of 23,850 to 24,200 odd levels. So short-term bias remains range, slightly upside capped till the time it doesn't sustains above 23,500 mark. But on the positional time frame for a week and so, we can expect the bias buy on dip. For intraday today, Nifty futures 23,250 followed by 23,100 should act as a support. These levels can be looked for buying, while on the higher end 23,400 followed by 23,550 will be acting as a resistances for contra trading short bets. Bank Nifty outperformed in line with expectations in last 4-5 sessions. We have seen that on 7th of April, Bank Nifty made a low of 49,366, followed by yesterday high of 52,460 odd levels. So it was a strong session yesterday, and we have seen that Bank Nifty has ended almost highs of Jan 2025, that is this year's high on a daily time frame as of now. The momentum remains firm, but the index is also approaching towards its immediate target cum resistance, which is close to 52,000, 52,500 mark. So it has entered into that territory, and we can expect some kind of pause and retracement, which can be looked for fresh long bets. So on the lower end, 51,800, 51,500 on the immediate basis as per the intraday charts should act as a support. Dips toward those levels can attract fresh buying interest, keeping a stop below 51,000 odd levels, expecting a move towards 53,500 to 54,000 mark on the higher note. For the day today in Bank Nifty futures, intraday supports will be at around 52,100 and 51,800 levels. Dips toward these levels can be intraday buying opportunity, while on the higher end 52,800 and 53,200 can be looked as intraday resistances. Overall, both Nifty and Bank Nifty holds buy on dip outlook as of now, because they have reached towards their interim pullback target cum resistance. For a session and two, we can expect some kind of consolidation and retracement on the lower end, which can be used for fresh long bets. Broader market continues to witness buying interest, and we have been mentioning this since last almost 1.5 months that mid cap small cap segment is witnessing selective counter specific delivery buying, which indicates a broader market outlook to be range to positive. In the line with the same, we continue to hold the same outlook. There had been number of counters which have witnessed decent buying interest in last few sessions, and the structure of most of the counters are indicating that higher levels can be expected in days to come. So net the broader market is expected to remain range to positive, and we can expect selective buying interest on dips. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.